Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 27th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir is down 46 cents today, 1.8%. We close at 25.06. Post-market, we are down 1 more cent. This stock is quite volatile. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we have a red candle here. So we made a lower low and a lower high compared to yesterday. We are still above this support right here. So we are still part of this bullish channel. We extended ourselves pretty high. We need to say that yesterday. So we went as high as 26.75, or yes, exactly. So we extended ourselves pretty far and then we're squished down. And this momentum down is still continuing a little bit. The good news is that we stayed above 25. So we have support at 25 and we stayed above that. And we are almost above this diagonal support that is part of the bearish channel also that we entered since September 23rd. So all is not lost. So we still have this support right here that we can hold on to, and also this 25 support that we hold on to. So it would be nice if we would just take a pause a little bit and go sideways and then resume going into this channel or even faster. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So where's the 930 candle? So this is the 930 candle right here. So it opened up quite high. So we stopped approximately here at 25.30 yesterday. And then we opened right here today. So this looked nice and we were going even higher, but then we're squished down with significant volume. And then we basically bounced on 25 here, went a little bit higher, then came down and bounced also on it with some selling pressure here with the wick at the top. And I guess we should not have been expecting much because of stochastic here. So see how you can trust stochastic. So the stock today went quite high, but stochastic was not there. So when stochastic is not there, don't believe the bar charts, because this is a head fake. So this is a head fake that we had right here. Stochastic was saying, no, I'm still below 50. I'm not doing much. And this is what is happening. We can also not believe stochastic when a stock trades on support. So it often happens that that a stock will remain above support and stochastic will plunge down. So you should, in that case, you should believe the stock because the support is king. But when going up, we need to have a stochastic that will confirm the move up. What else can I say? Crossed over bearish here on MACD, approximately here. Okay, it's not too surprising that we are just going sideways right here. Let's go back to the daily chart, this messy daily chart. Tell me in the comment section below if you like when I do these drawings. I feel like I can convey my thoughts a little bit better. Stochastic is above 50, so that's nice. So let me just get rid of this thumb down guy here and put a thumb up guy like this. RSI is still going up, so we have this support for the RSI, so still moving up. MACD is still moving up, so all is good and the MI is still great. Let's just be careful about this support here and this 25, which is very short term, but more a medium term support is this one here. And let's just bounce on this so that we get out of this bearish channel here and just continue on being bullish with this stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.